couple of growth industries. Obviously, green energy sector is very robust. There's going to be a lot of opportunity there. The first opportunity is going to be in the building and construction trades because we have to build up the wind farms, the solar farms, the grid needs to be stabilized. But beyond that, housing has to be retrofitted. There's a lot of work that goes into this sector. Electric vehicles, so if you're a mechanic, you need to learn how to work on EVs as opposed to or alongside of fossil fuel cars. The transition from a fossil fueled car to an electric vehicle could be as long as 10 years. So people are going to have to figure out in that timeline, if I'm close to retirement, maybe I focus on the fossil fuel industry work. If I'm in the middle of my career, maybe I cross-train. And if I'm at the beginning of my career, maybe I only learn the new technology. Cannabis is a huge opportunity that's now finally beginning to come online in New York. It's not just retail. I mean, everybody thinks it's just running a cannabis shop. There's a lot of science involved. There's a lot of training that's necessary. It's a great opportunity for underserved communities, people who have been impacted by the drug laws before, are getting moved to the front of the line. So we want to work with them and make sure that they can identify the career and get the proper training to do it. There's a lot of agriculture, obviously, involved in it, and it's very specific. It's not just growing the crop. And then, of course, there's all the R&D that goes into developing the products. The world of work is changing. It's much more technical than it used to be. A lot more virtual services, a lot more online learning and working, and we want to, again, help people understand where they're going to fit into this new world of work.
With support from WDI, strengthening New York's workforce.